Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about symmetric group. So let's enter into my today's topic.
As I have already discussed about dihedral group, so it is also a type of group which we have to study in group theory. So let's enter into our today's topic. Permutation. That permutation simply means the arrangement. Okay, in group theory we simply have to study about S3 group. That is the permutation of three elements. So let's discuss. It is the group formed by permutation of elements. पर्मुटेसन कुनै पनि पर्मुटेसन ग्रुप भनेको चाहिँ कुनै इलिमेन्टहरू लिएर तिनीहरूको एरेन्जमेन्टहरू फरक पार्दाखेरि फरक ग्रुप फरक सेट बन्छ। त्यसै सेटहरूकै कलेक्सनबाट ग्रुप बन्ने हुन्छ। द मोस्ट जनरल example of permutation group is S3, which is the group formed by the arrangement of three elements, say 1 2 3. हामीले यो ग्रुप थ्योरीमा चाहिँ स्टडी गर्ने पर्मुटेसन ग्रुपमा S3 पर्छ, जुन चाहिँ तीनटा एलिमेन्ट्सहरूको एरेन्जमेन्ट फरक फरक एरेन्जमेन्ट हुँदाखेरि कस्तो कस्तो एरेन्जमेन्ट हुन्छ तिनीको एरेन्जमेन्टहरूको सेटले बनेको ग्रुप हो। अब हाम्रो यहाँ आजको इच्छा चाहिँ तीनटा एलिमेन्ट्सहरूको फरक फरक एरेन्जमेन्ट हुँदाखेरि तिनी एरेन्जमेन्टहरूको सेटले ग्रुप बनाउँछ कि नै भनेर हेर्ने रहेको छ। त्यसका लागि द मेम्बर अफ S3 आर एज फलो। हामीले त्यसका लागि के गर्यौँ भन्दा तीनटा एलिमेन्ट्सहरू लियौँ, 1 2 र 3 भन्ने एलिमेन्ट्स लियौँ अनि तिनीहरूको एरेन्जमेन्ट फरक फरक एरेन्जमेन्ट बनाएर त्यसको एलिमेन्ट्सहरूलाई यसरी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्यौँ। यो माथिकोले चाहिँ 1 2 3 अर्डर जनाउँछ अनि यो 1 2 3 ले एलिमेन्ट्स जनाउँछ। जस्तै तीनटा एलिमेन्ट्सलाई राख्यौँ, एउटा रोमा राख्यौँ, लाइनमा स्ट्रेट लाइनमा राख्यौँ अनि त्यसमा फर्स्टमा 1 राख्यौँ, सेकेन्डमा 2 राख्यौँ, थर्डमा 3 राख्यौँ भने कस्तो बन्ने भयो, यो बन्ने भयो। फर्स्टमा 1 राख्यौँ, सेकेन्डमा 2 राख्यौँ, थर्डमा 3 राख्यौँ भने यो अगाडिको चाहिँ साइक्लिक रिप्रेजेन्टेसन हो। यो चाहिँ यसको यसरी पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ। यसलाई कसरी लेख्न सक्ने भयो भन्दा 1 2 3 खास यो एलिमेन्ट्स अर्डर नलेखिकन 1 2 3 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेको छ यो एलिमेन्टलाई। त्यस्तै अर्को एरेन्जमेन्ट चाहिँ यो अर्डर चाहिँ एउटै हुने भयो। फर्स्टमा 1 लाई राख्यौँ, सेकेन्डमा 3 लाई राख्यौँ र थर्डमा 2 लाई राख्यौँ भनेको 2 र 3 को पोजिसन चेन्ज गऱ्यौँ, 1 लाई आफ्नै ठाउँमा राख्यौँ भने पनि फेरि अर्को खालको एरेन्जमेन्ट बन्ने भयो, जसलाई हामीले 1 3 2 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गऱ्यौँ। त्यस्तै फेरि अर्को एरेन्जमेन्टमा चाहिँ 2 लाई फर्स्टमा राख्यौँ, 1 लाई सेकेन्डमा राख्यौँ र 3 लाई थर्डमा राख्यौँ भने फेरि त्यो पनि फरक देखिने भयो एरेन्जमेन्ट। त्यसलाई हामीले 2 1 3 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गऱ्यौँ। त्यस्तै अर्को एरेन्जमेन्टमा चाहिँ 2 लाई फर्स्टमा राख्यौँ, 3 लाई सेकेन्डमा राख्यौँ र 1 लाई थर्डमा राख्यौँ। यो पनि फरक भयो, पहिलाको भन्दा फरक एरेन्जमेन्ट हुने भयो। यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले 2 3 1 लाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गऱ्यौँ। त्यस्तै अब अर्को एरेन्जमेन्टमा चाहिँ 3 लाई फर्स्टमा राख्यौँ, 1 लाई सेकेन्डमा राख्यौँ र 2 लाई थर्डमा राख्यौँ। यो पनि फरक खालको एरेन्जमेन्ट हुने भयो र यसलाई हामीले 3 1 2 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गऱ्यौँ। त्यस्तै अन्तिम 3 लाई फर्स्टमा राख्यौँ, 2 लाई सेकेन्डमा राख्यौँ र 1 लाई थर्डमा राख्यौँ अनि यसलाई केले रिप्रेजेन्ट गऱ्यौँ भन्दा 3 2 1 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गऱ्यौँ। हामीले यहाँ 6वटा एरेन्जमेन्ट बनाइयो। किन 6वटा एरेन्जमेन्ट बनाइयो भन्दा वी अलरेडी नो, हामीलाई पहिल्यै थाहा छ। के थाहा छ भन्दा नम्बर अफ पोसिबल एरेन्जमेन्ट अफ n एलिमेन्ट्स इज इक्वल टु n फ्याक्टोरियल। हामीले यहाँ के गरेका छौँ भन्दा तीनटा एलिमेन्ट्सहरूको पोसिबल एरेन्जमेन्ट हेरिरहेका छौँ भने तीनटा एलिमेन्ट्सको पोसिबल एरेन्जमेन्ट कति हुन्छ त भन्दा 3 फ्याक्टोरियल भनेको 3 × 2 द्याट इज इक्वल टु 6। सो वी हेभ फाउन्ड 6 possible arrangement or 6 elements or 6 arrangement for that permutation. This is the set. Now this set, now our aim is to check whether this set will form a group or not. For that we will construct the Kelly's table or multiplication table, and if that table can be constructed, then we will reach to the conclusion that every properties of the group would be satisfied, and then we can say that that set would form the group. So let us construct Kelly's table. Okay, while constructing Kelly's table, we will keep arrangement that elements of set in row and column, and then we will construct Kelly's table. Okay, for while constructing, we have to look this arrangement of row at first and then of column. Here first is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 means it will bring the element of first some arrangement, definite arrangement. It will arrange like in the format of 1 2 3. So it is 1 2 3 means while arranging in 1 2 3, this will be again 1 is in 1, 2 is in 2, 3 is in 3, so that would be 1 2 3. So this 1 2 3 will leaves the permutation or the set unvaried or as it was before. So this is identity element in this case. Let us look here also. 1 3 2, it will bring 1 in first position, and second one element in second position, and third one element in third position. So all the elements of this second row would be same as that of first row. You can see from here 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 3 2 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 3 1 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 1 3 2 1. And here also in this second column also would be same. Here 1 2 3, first of all you have to do 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 means that would bring 1 2 3 1 3 2. For this you have to write in this order. Okay, 1 3 2 means in 1 what is there, 1 is there, and in 3 what is there, that is in 3 there is 3, and in 2 what is there, 2. So this 1 3 2 this became, and this is the same as this. Here also all elements would be like this: 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 3 1 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 1 3 2 1. In this way we can draw this second row and second column easily, and then we have to be careful while finding those elements. Okay, those elements which I have encircled over here, those elements we have to find carefully. So for finding that, I will show you how to find 1 3 2 1 3 2 here is. So you have to arrange this in the order of this. So 1 3 2, you have to arrange the element of here in this order. 1 3 2 means what is here in 1 1 there, and in 3 what is there, 2. So in 2 what is there, 3. So this should be 1 2 3, there would be 1 2 3. And here is first of all 2 1 3, you have to arrange in 1 3 2 format, means 2 3 1, that would be 2 3 1. Here also 1 3 2 means 2 1 3 2 1 3, like this. And here also 1 3 2 means 3 2 1 3 2 1. And here also 1 3 2 format you have to arrange, means in first what is there, 3 there is. So at first you have to write 3, and in 3 what is there, 1, and in 2 what is there, 2. So 3 1 2 3 1 2. Similarly here also you have to draw like this. This we have already find out. So here we have to look in 2 1 3 format. We have to arrange the element of here 2 1 3 means 3 1 2. 2 1 3 format you have to arrange, means 1 2 3 3 2 1. You can say here 2 1 3 means 1 3 2 1 3 2, and 2 1 3 here 2 1 3 means 2 3 1 2 3 1. Similarly you can find other elements also, but I will say that check 2 3 1. In 2 3 1 format you have to arrange here 2 3 1 means 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 3 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 2 1 3, and in this sixth row you have to arrange these elements in this order. First of all, while drawing you have to look at the row at first and then column. 3 1 2. Okay, this we have already find out. So 3 1 2 means 2 1 3. 3 1 2 means in third position here is 3, so 3 would become at first. 3 2 1. Here also 1 2 3, 2 3 1, 1 3 2, and at last you can directly write the remaining elements of each column also, but you can find out from here also. That is also not so difficult. That we have already found out. In 3 2 1 format you have to arrange. 3 2 1 means 2 3 1, 3 1 2, 1 3 2, and then 2 1 3, and then 1 2 3 1 2 3. In this way we have found every elements. So now let us check whether the element have been repeated in each row or column or not. You should not look this first row and first column. From here you can see 1 2 3 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 3 1 3 1 2 2 3 3 2 1. No elements is repeated in this row. Here also 1 3 2 1 2 3 2 3 1 2 1 3 3 2 1 3 1 2. Here is also no revision. Likewise in third row, this row also you can check whether the element have been repeated or not. 2 1 3 3 1 2 1 2 3 3 2 1 1 3 2 2 3 1. No element is repeated. Here also no element is repeated. You can check this. And in column also you can check whether the element is repeated or not. Here 1 1 2 2 3 3 not repeated. 1 1 3 3 2 2 not repeated. 2 2 1 1 3 3 not repeated. 2 2 3 3 1 1, but second element is different, that's why not repeated. Also 3 3 1 1 2 2, but second element is different, that's why not repeated. Here also 3 3 2 2 1 1, no element is repeated. So from this Kali table what we can see, if we multiply any two elements of the set of the permutation of three elements, that is S3, then we will get the another element which is again in the given set. So from this table we can easily find out the closure relation. And then also if we multiply 2 and then again if we multiply the product of these two by another elements, then again that would be same as the product of second and third elements with first element, that is A into B, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. That is associative property is also verified. If we can construct this Kali's table, then we can directly say that closure relation, associative relation is verified. And let us check whether there is an identity element or not in this set. Here when we operate every element by this 1 2 3 set, then it leaves the previous set as it was before. So we can say that this 1 2 3, this arrangement is an identity arrangement. So let us look here. Let us look at when this is operated by 1 2 3, then it leaves as it was before. When it is operated by this, it leaves this 1 3 2 as it was before. Here also when 2 1 3 is operated by 1 2 3, it is left 2 1 3, means it is not varied. Here also 2 3 1, when it is operated by 1 2 3, this is 2 3 1 again, so it is also not very wide. So again when 3 1 2 is operated by 1 2 3, it remains as 3 1 2, means it is also not varied. When 3 2 1 is operated by 1 2 3, it remains as 3 2 1 again, so that is also not varied. Means this there is an element 1 2 3, or there is an arrangement 1 2 3 which leaves the previous arrangement unchanged. So we can consider this 1 2 3 as an identity element of that set. Okay, so three properties are already satisfied. Now we have to check whether there is an inverse for every element in the set or not. So when we check and this 1 2 3, when 1 2 3 is operated with 1 2 3, then it gives identity element, means 1 2 3 is inverse of itself. Likewise, when we operate 1 3 2 by 1 3 2, then it again gives 1 2 3, means this 1 3 2 is also an inverse of itself. Likewise, when 2 and 3 is operated with 2 and 3, it gives 1 2 3, so 2 and 3 is also inverse of itself. Likewise, when 2 3, this 2 3 1 is operated with, here is identity or not, sorry, here is identity. So when this 2 3 1 is operated by 3 1 2, then it also gives identity element, means 2 3 1 and 3 1 2 are inverse of each other. Likewise, when 3 1 2 is operated by 3 1 2 is operated by 2 3 1, then it gives identity element. So 2 3 1 and 3 1 2 are inverse. Likewise, 3 2 1, 3 2 1 when operated by 3 2 1, it gives 1 2 3 identity element, so it is also inverse of itself. In this way, we can see that the set of the possible arrangement of three elements satisfies all the properties that any set have to be satisfied to form a group. So we can see that these elements are the set of possible arrangement of three elements, that is S3, symmetric group of order 3, we actually call for that, forms the group. Okay, so let's read this conclusion. From the above Cali's table, we see that the set of permutations of three elements forms a group as it satisfies closure, existence of identity, existence of inverse and associative property, but it does not satisfy commutative relation, thus it is not abelian. Commutative means if we multiply a and b, then it is not equal to b and a. So from here you can see, when we multiply 2 1 3 with 2 3 1, then what it gives? 2 1 3 into 2 3 1, it gives 3 2 1. Likewise, if we multiply 2 3 1 with 2 1 3, what it gives? It gives 1 3 2, means they are, one time it will give 1 3 2 and another time it will give 3 2 1, but these two arrangements are different. So what we can conclude from here? From here we can see that the commutation relation is not satisfied, so the given set will not satisfy commutative properties. If the set will not satisfy commutative property, then we cannot say it is abelian or it is not abelian, or we will say that it is not abelian. So the group, the permutation of three elements, the set of permutation of three elements will form group, but that group will not be abelian.
This much for today, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.